Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. Today we are going to do Judy's magic cast on. Is it magic? No, it is different though, and it does seem like magic, but it is definitely not. It's simple and easy, I promise. So what do you use Judy's magic cast on for? I use it for toe-up socks. That's what I use it for. Now, a couple things that I do a little bit differently than what most people do. So you're using two double pointed or two circular if you're going to do magic loop. Most people will hold theirs separate a little bit. I personally find that this will give me an uneven row where the grafting is, where that cast on is. And it's kind of like when you Kitchener your toe too loosely and you have that one loose row on the top of your toe. I don't like that. So I personally hold my needles right next to each other. Does it make it a little bit more tricky to do? A little bit. So I also personally do not do a slip knot. Most people do start with a slip knot. I find that it leaves a little bump that kind of either bothers my toe or I can't weave it in really good. So this is how I start. So you're wrapping the tail around your up and around your thumb, and over your index finger goes the working yarn, okay? So I will twist like this because I want my tail, and we're going to twist it onto the bottom needle because I want my tail, when I twist it, to be under or behind the working yarn, okay? So now we're going to go up. This is where it gets tricky, right? We're going to go up and over. And yes, I do have eczema on my fingers. So we did the tail goes up and over the top, and the working yarn goes up and over the bottom. Up and over the top, up and over the bottom. And I promise you, very quickly, you will get yourself into a rhythm because it just is that easy, right? We're doing up and over, just back and forth, up and over, until you get the amount of stitches that you need. I'm not really counting right now. I'm just going to show you how to do it, okay? And then, I don't know. And we finish on the top, right? You're going to finish on the top needle, and that should give you an even amount of stitches. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's actually perfect for the sock that I'm making. I need 20 because I'm making a child sock. And then you will turn this way and you'll start knitting across here. This will be your top. This will be your bottom. This is the top of the foot. This is the bottom of the foot. And you just knit across, and when it is done, it will look just like that. You can't even see, right? It looks similar to a grafted toe or a Kitchener toe. So that's when it's all done, that's what it looks like. So I hope this is helpful for you. Make sure if you enjoyed this video, if this was helpful for you, that you like and subscribe and you share it with somebody you think it will be helpful with. And happy knitting.